Hey everyone, thank you for joining me on Tech Savvy here today. This is going to be a beginner's level video. I've been asked the question a lot of times, how do I uninstall programs from my computer? Well, I'm going to show you that today. This is on Windows, the newer version of Windows, Windows 7. It's very similar to Windows Vista if you have that. However, if you have Windows XP, it is a little bit different process. Not much different. You might be able to follow on and still learn how. But this is geared towards Windows 7, Windows Vista users. So if you would, just follow along and I'll show you how to get rid of any programs that you're wanting to do, or if you're just wanting to clean up your computer. So here we go. So first we want to start by clicking the Start menu with our left mouse button. So left click and then go up to Control Panel and left click that. This will bring up a new window. And by default it may show up differently for you in this screen. You may get the classic view with large or small icons, or we can change it by going up to View up here and changing it to Category. I usually like to do Category for uninstalling a program or doing some simple things, just because Windows has done a nice little thing and organized it for us. So go up to View By here at the top, left click the button, and you left click the Category view. So now in the category view, it's kind of simplified it into different categories for us. We want to go down under Programs and select Uninstall a Program and left click that. That'll bring us up to a new screen. In this new screen you can see all the different programs that are currently on your computer. And you can actually sort those in different ways. So you can say, alright, I want to get rid of all the ones that were installed at an older date or newer date. Or I want to sort by the size, and if you don't understand the size of files, that's fine. Gigabytes is bigger, megabytes is smaller. So what you do is just scroll through, look for the different programs that you want to uninstall, or look for programs that you recognize that you don't want anymore. I advise probably to stay away from some programs that you might not understand. The only type of programs that I can say are safe to uninstall are usually any type of toolbar. So if you have anything that says Google Toolbar or Yahoo Toolbar, you're safe to uninstall those, just because usually those are avenues for viruses and malware to come through while you're surfing the web. So usually they're not necessary, and I just say go ahead and remove them. So let's say you find a program that you want to uninstall. So we'll go and we'll say, alright, I want to get rid of QuickTime. So you left click it once, then go up here to the top, and then you can just left click uninstall. Say, are you sure, to usually give you some type of uninstall window here. It could be different for whatever program you're doing, and you'll just follow the step-by-step procedure that it says on the screen, and that will get rid of that program for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps.